So hello folks, welcome to RMP Robot Mega Power Trading Channel. I want to introduce myself and the company and the trading system and the network marketing system, and want to show you also how to trade, what is RMP suite, my programmed software. I'm the company owner, I'm the CEO, I'm the software developer, I'm the supporter. And at the moment, this company is stabilized on my own. So I'm looking forward to find business partners. I have already customers, but in the German language speaking world. So I'm going worldwide, global. And this is the first video which shows us how to get. In the background, we see pictures I've taken in the Philippines. So this company will stabilize in the Philippines, but we will operate worldwide: Hong Kong, China, USA, Europe, Africa, wherever, Indonesia, Southeast Asia, Thailand, whatever. Everybody can do it. Everybody can join the RMP club, social media platforms, RMP suite, trading system, network marketing system, and so on. So let's dive into the explanation. Sorry, this video will be longer. Be patient and enjoy it. So the first thing I want to mention here is we are trading. I first start with the trading system. Now, after we go on, I show you some examples, and after we go on with the network marketing. So we are trading exclusively with one platform, and this is called MT4 MetaTrader 4 terminal. And normally when you install it, it doesn't look so plain. So I will just show you F11 and then turn in the navigator and the markets. So sometimes this will be like that. So we are connected with our special broker from Australia, FPMarkets Ltd. So we can open trading accounts with this broker. We can work with this broker. This is our choice. It's also the broker's choice to work with me, with us, with this system. So we'll be happy having one of the best brokers on this planet as business partner on our side. Isn't this wonderful? So when we look, we have the symbols. You know, Forex is foreign money exchange. So it's US dollar, euro, US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and so on. I blinded in some symbols what we are trading with, but we are also trading with gold and maybe bitcoins. But normally my favorites are the German DAX. Yeah, this is called here by this broker Germany 40 because there's 40 stock papers inside. And we are trading also with Nasdaq. This is called here by this broker US 100. You will see in the robots, we will see it different. And we are trading also with Dow Jones. So these are our favorite markets with what we are trading. And you know, the first step to dive into this system is actually to learn this Windows 32-bit program, to use it to open trades and so on. But this is not our topic at the moment. I just wanted to show you when you start with the marketing system with level 0, get a club member, we start with the education how to dive in MetaTrader 4 and how to use this Windows-based program. There is also a Mac OS version and there is also an Android version, but with the Android version you cannot trade. You can trade, but not with our RMP suite. So when you look here in the left side, expert advisors, RMP, 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 and when you look to the indicators, there is a lot of indicators. They are built in MetaTrader, but we have a lot of indicators which start with RMP. Of course, this has to be installed. We have a Windows program which is called RMP Suite, Setup RMP Suite. This is also included. And at this moment, I want to mention there is still not the English website, but you can subscribe in the German website and you can, but this is not our topic at the moment. I just want to introduce the system. I show you a little bit around, you know, I throw you in the cold water, and this is what we are doing now. For example, we have here templates, yeah, and I will just load a template. So here it is. It took a moment because there is this news indicator. Look, what is that? There is the news of all the stock markets. Yeah, there is an indicator. We have it, and we can build templates where this is built in. Isn't this wonderful? So there are other templates. Of course, the templates are made with everything you want to have inside a chart. That's a chart. Yeah, these are charts. So what we have are expert advisors named trading robots. Yeah, and I want to start with our standard trading robot, which is the box trading robot or the XX robot. So we drag in a box trading robot here. We make some adjustments. Yeah, 0.0 lots. And you know, you can trade with a very low risk here, and also with small accounts starting from 1,000 US dollars. So you can trade already here with cents. Yeah, my account is euro, but we can also open Swiss franc, whatever we want. Yeah, euro, US dollar, you should open a US dollar account maybe. And I want to show you another robot. This is the XX robot, and of course you can also trade it with 0.0 lots, and the win here. And just when we want to start trading, we just push start. Okay, it's not trading, it's going in standby. Why is that? Well, because the market is not good now to trade automatically. Yeah, and you see we have these hits, and it will inform us the indicator needs more than 12, and we have only 6. Here also it needs 15.3. Yeah, depending on the market. You see, it also does not show Germany 40, it shows us DAX. Yeah, NEC, and there is another one. Let's track this scalping robot there and also make 0.01. And we have a very beautiful scalping robot. Yeah. And you see, it says Dow Jones, Dow. Yeah. Even it is here US 30, because nobody knows what is US 30. So we know here this is Dow Jones. Yeah. And we have also the adjustments hit depending of the kind of robot, strategy, indicator, and so on. Everything is varied. So you can start from 0 and go up to level 10. And you can be CEO, assistant, manager, product manager, whatever you want in this company. Yeah, we are just in the start. We're building up, but this is a little bit later. Okay, so let's talk now about trading. So because the idea, of course, is that our customers, even you or everybody, will use this system for trading. Yeah. And I want to show you because, you know, I'm impatient to say I cannot wait now until this will turn into trade. So I just click on this small arc and this pointer, and you will see it starts trading. Yeah, it starts trading. And you know what? The good thing is we have a visual system here. So you see exactly what the robot is doing. Of course, you don't understand it at the moment. Yeah, but this is no problem. We will learn it. It's easy peasy. Yeah. Also here, the scalping robot, you can trade in one direction, or you can just place some. This is too small. We make it 32 by though. So we have a 32 box, and depending, then we can activate it, and depending in which direction the market will leave, in this case the Dow will leave this box, we have a long or a short trade. Yeah, now here this one is already trading short. Yeah, you see even the robots are adapting depending on the language what you choose. Yeah, when there is a German customer, the robot is in German. When there is an English speaking customer, the robot is in English. When there is a Spanish speaking customer, depending on the language you choose here, well, we don't have Hebrew. Yeah, we have the main languages. Yeah, German, English, French, and Spanish. So whatever we can, in the future, we can add more languages, but at the moment, I think this will do. Most of the customers, of course, they will choose the English language because it's universal. But what I wanted to mention, we can also go on other languages depending on the adjustment what we have in the MetaTrader MT4 terminal. So, can we make a money with this system? Yes, of course. Yeah, because when the trade goes into the take profit, we will win a money. At the moment, the market is quiet. You know, this is why we trade when there is the American, the USA market opening. Now we got an active trade here long. Yeah, so the US market, the German market, the Japanese market, the Chinese market, and so on. You know, like I'm German, so I'm Germany and USA, but of course, when there is people, they like to trade other things. We have also swing trading strategies and much more, but I don't want to overpace the information. I just want to show you some systems and robots and what they are doing. And these are already 3 strategies. Well, it's more. There is zone trading, there is grid trading, there is volume profile trading. You know, I can just, you know, and there is a lot of indicators and possibilities. Big numbers, yeah. And we can strategically, we can place. Now this is already on the win. We can place orders, you see here. We can click on them. Of course, this box is too small. This has to be 20. So when we click here, you see we get a box. Okay. And then we can activate it. We can also auto activate it when we click on it. Yeah. And the same is we can drag in a grid. And we have to adjust the grid in our timetable. The American timetable is different. So we first say the grid is 20 points. There is no gap. So we start pre-market 14:30 here in German time. Market open is at 15:30 in German time. Of course, in the US, it's at 9 o'clock. Yeah. And then 12 o'clock, 20, this is okay. And so now you see we have the grid. Well, the US market open is still not available. So we have the pre-charge of the grid, but when the market is opening, this will change to the other side. Yeah, because I have a 12:15 at the moment. I will show you when I change the times. Here is grid edit, and I will say, okay, the pre-market open, like in the German time was, for example, at 8 o'clock, and then market open was at 9 here in Germany, yeah, depending where you are. And you see, now it will just adjust us to our needs. So what else we have? We have like a trading time, trade time. Yeah, then you drag this in and you get what's it here? You get the time is called, sorry. Trade time is different time. And then you see you have here the time adjusted to the German market here down. Yeah, and you can adjust the time however you want it. The trade time was this gray, a light gray, and so you have also an indicator who shows you your trade times. However you adjust it, of course it's adjustable. Yeah. Time edit, and then the inputs you put your times. Yeah, in this case it will be different, but let it be like that. I will not inform you. Is there more indicators, like for trading indicators have these lines, you know, trend indicators, trade signals. Look, trade signals, long or short. Where is the market going? You know, for the scalping, you know, now the market is long. Of course, you can see the candles here. We have also Heikin Ashi candles. Then you have to switch this like that. So this candle has a time relay. So it will really show you also the trend in the candle. And so on. We have moving averages, we have moving color averages, we have FIBO, pivot levels. You see here, we have the big numbers. We have a sun indicator, which is a kind of advanced, very advanced zigzag indicator. So you see the highs and the lows and the levels in between and so on. So all this stuff and much, much, much more will be learned here. We have more robots, we have more strategies, we have radars. Yeah, I want to show you a radar which is detecting trades. There are two radars. First, well, there are more than two, but our radars, what we use here, actually is the box trading radar, who detects the box trades, like that one here. And there is an X radar, this one, which is detecting other trades, yeah, which are not related to box trades. It's the scalping trades and the additional scalping and so on. Yeah. So normally we track this here to the left side. So we have these overviews. So we can also use it. For example, when I open a scalping trade, I can, when the scalping robot is on, I can always open a scalp trade. Long, short, long, short, long, short. And you see here are the trades. So when I want to close a trade, I just click on it. And then I can close the trade separately. When I want to close all, I say here close all, and all the trades are closed. You see? So you have an overview of these things. So There are hedges. When we make box trading, we can produce an hedge. So hedges will be shown, you see, like a green light, and then we can resolve the hedges with clicking on the magic number. The magic number is generated automatically, of course, and then you can resolve hedges here with this hedge resolve robot with template adjustments and so on. So just say here sell, and then I will resolve the hedge. Well, this is now only cents, you know, it may be higher. When we say we go into an hedge, I went in the hedge manually, and here I can also close it and close the robot. Yeah, now this is it's actualizing, you see. So here we see the account state for this day. It's a minus 0.08. This was this clicking around, and there is an open trade because I do a long-term trading, and this is 23 euros in the minus. But I'm long-term trading. I'm also swing trading. We have a swing trading strategy, but this I will not present here. We have robots in different sizes. So when you're already familiar with the big ones and you want to trade more charts, we have also the small versions of the robots. For example, the box trading robot, the small version, you see it consumes less space compared to the big one. Yeah, and we have also the small version of the X robots. X robots is trading XP. So you see, beautiful. This is the big version and this is the small version. Every version can do everything, but it is less space consuming. You know, you can trade here a lot of charts in one window. Okay? So what is when we want to trade Forex? No problem. Yeah? We just track in the Forex market, Euro, British Pound. Yeah, the beast. And there it is. Yeah, you see now we have Euro, British Pound, and we can trade it. Pop. Yeah. No problem. Well, we have to adjust. We have to adjust our 180. Yeah. A little bit different. Open the chart, track in the robot. This is the right way to do it. So here we are, yeah. 145, this is automatically generated. Then we can also change it. Did you see there is no comma after it? Because these are pips, yeah. And then you see 145 is this size of the box. And we see here 145. This is the long, where it goes long and where it goes short. It seems to be big, but the market is very quiet. There are also other markets. They have more volatility, like this Canadian, Japanese yen. And when you see here the 145, this is also to be a new open newly. It's not actually the right way to track it just in. You have really to go here, and then when you start, you get the right, you see, this is the trailing robot. There is the trailing line. The stop loss can be adjusted here, can be adjusted, will be tracked automatically, and take profit can also be adjusted, yeah, and so on. You can trade strategies. You see now we are in the win, and we close the trade, and we made a win. Yeah, just to show that. Yeah, now we are in positive 0.29 euros. So folks, that's the first part what I wanted to show you. So there will also be a second part when we speak about the advanced marketing system, where we just started, and with a level system, you know, a level education system. And maybe this will be very interesting for you, because then it comes not only to the trading, it's also coming to marketing. You can use it, you don't need to use it. You can build up your own marketing system. You know, you can get free. You don't have to pay the annual fee anymore when you have some people building up below you, and you can earn the money with that. Isn't this good? I think this is wonderful. So let us see more or less how it works. I'm still working on it. Yeah, we're just in the beginning, but let us see how this could work. I need a white paper. So what I do is I open a chart, and I have here a small software with what I can write. Yeah, we have level 0. This is the start, ladies and gentlemen. That's the start where you learn the MetaTrader. Normally, it will not take you a long time. Then you go in level 1. Yeah. Now, level 1 is where we start with the X robots, what I showed you with this stop loss line and take profit, not needed, take profit, try profit or not. Yeah. Then we go in level 2. This will not take a long time, but you know, I want that we build up from 0 so we can learn the MetaTrader, then the first steps in trading, then the first robot, the easy understanding robot, which is not making still box trading. And then we go in level 2. Then it gets highly interested, and then comes the box trading. I will not say that the other trading is not interesting, but box trading is very interesting. No? Then level 3, when we already know the box trading, and this really should take a longer time, then we go in level 3. Yeah. And level 3 is the scalping. You know, scalping is not difficult to do. The problem is in the scalping that you will choose one direction. Yeah, in these other robots, wherever the market goes, you will go in the win when it's not always going up, down, up, down, up, down. So when it points into one direction, wherever it goes, you make a win. But in the scalping, not. In the scalping, this is a little bit more complicated in this sense. So level 3 is scalping, and then the higher levels. What it should be about. Yes, of course, level 4. There are coming advanced tools, yeah, power tools for advanced trading techniques. Yeah. This is, I did not write it. This is level 4. Yeah, level 4. And then what is level 5? Oh my God. Level 5 is not a big thing, you know, but level 5, you are already trading advanced, you know, the short time trading techniques. Then we come into swing trading. And H4, 4 hours momentum trading. So these are longer trading strategies. This requires that you are a little bit patient. Yeah, swing trading is day trading and not day trading. it's going, looking the 1 day chart and 1 week chart, yeah. Then whole day trading, I actually call swing trading, because day trading is another thing. And actually also the longer systems. Then level 6. This is already going into the marketing, you know. Then you should be already going marketing, starting up, promotion systems, and so on. Yeah, I did not say level 6, yeah. So level 6. So what is about level 7, 8, 9, 10? Yeah, I don't know. But from level 7 to level 10, this is already product manager, manager, and to business partner, business active partner up to partner, yeah, up to business owner, own from level 10 on, level 10 and so on. This is already for country manager and so on. So that's more or less the system, yeah. What is interested when you say, I'm interested in trading? This is my thing, I want to trade. Yeah. What is the system? Well, level 1, level 0 to level 5. Yeah. Level 6 is already the education. Yeah. Then you do live trading, you have your own business partners under you, and you will promote them, you will helping them, you will teach them. So you're already a teacher and trading instructor actually. Yeah, we would say here, this is trading instructor. You see, this requires already an advanced knowledge of everything. So this will take some years, depending on you. Yeah, some years depending on you. Always with the support, of course, from the people who are up higher than you. They will always, but you can get higher also, you know. Yeah, and then these things, well, whoever reach this, whoever has the power to reach and to manage it, this is the big thing. This is the very big thing, you know. There, this is big, ladies and gentlemen. Then here comes the big business opportunity. You know, country manager, you know, the exclusivity, to have the exclusivity for a whole country, for all the customers you build up. So this is the big deal. But you know what is the fair system? First thing, everybody can reach it. Everybody can reach it, but everybody will start here. Here, here, and here. You know why? Because when you don't start here, you will not understand anything. Imagine you start here with scalping. You have no idea to use a MetaTrader 4 program. And I swear you, this computer program is huge. This has a billion opportunities. And you know, when it comes to trade with real money, every click, every fault can mean a money loss. So we will not start here. We will not jump from here to here. No, we will make 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you reach level 5, and you have already some people which are in your trading group, yeah, let's say we have here, this is you, yeah, and then we have some people, ideally 1, 2, 3, and these people are working with me. These are people in my group. I support them, I help them, and of course, I'm also gaining a money from them, what they are doing, and I have other advantages. So, of course, I don't have to work for free. Yeah, this is already my small company, my LTD. Let's say it like that. So what do you help the people? Well, you help the people to get also there. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So you see, now you have a bigger group. Yeah, it's growing your business. It's growing up your business. Yeah, this. This is network marketing. There is nothing wrong with it. There is nothing wrong with it. But you know what? When you don't like to do that, then don't do it. Yeah? This is optional. This is optional. You don't have to do it. But when you want to do it, do it. But whatever you are doing, you can do your trading. You can do your trading. But you know what is wrong? When there is maybe a friend of you, he also wants to go in this business. Say, I also want to join you. My friend. Yeah. Or a neighbor. Yeah. Or brother or sister. Yeah. What is the problem? There I have already 3 people. And you know what? Maybe one of them, he's the big dealer. You know, maybe he doesn't like to trade so much. He doesn't, maybe your brother is not a trader. What he is a marketing expert. And he has not only 3. No, he has more people, you know. He has more people. He has this one, 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 this one. These are all his people. Yeah. And he supports all these people. He doesn't like the trading, but these people are trading. They trading. Yeah. So he builds up a huge group. And you know, all this is your advantage. Because all these people, they are under your system. And you know what? When you need help, no problem. We get help. We get help from our broker. We build up the company. There will be more supporters and so on. So this is an endless thing of opportunities, what you can have in your life, getting your own company. I will not say to get rich. This is depending on anybody. But you know, to generate the income, wherever you are on this planet. Yeah, we can be digital nomads wherever we are. You can travel around, take your laptop, take your computer, make the things. That's the opportunity. So you see, we started with trading and we ended up with marketing. So we have endless possibilities, you know, endless possibilities today over internet, network marketing, trading, building up companies, and so on. This is what I'm offering you. This is this business opportunity. This is where I worked my ass off the last almost 5 years, programming, developing software, finding the best trading strategies, not inventing the wheel again. Some of these things did already exist, you know, but I built them up, I made them better, I improved them, I collected them, and I made a logical trading system. And now we are going marketing. I was already many times in network marketing, so I know to build something like that up. I know to build websites, everything, and I need partners who are also inspired to do what I'm doing, to build up, who speak other languages. Yeah, maybe somebody wants to go to Netherlands, speaks Dutch, you know, or in the Philippines, speak Tagalog, speak Visayan, be inspired. Also like trading. Yeah, trading is this is trendy. Everybody does trading, you know. If it with coins or stock market, the hugest trading, more than 60-70% is foreign exchange, you know. Buy dollars, sell euros, buy euros, sell Japanese yen. This is what we're doing. This is the foreign exchange market. So that's actually what I'm offering you, folks. I hope you like it. And when you do it, sorry, I still don't have an English website. So just navigate here, rmp.uwegrimm.de, and you will find the contact form. Just send me an email by this contact form. And when this email reaches me, whatever, I will answer it to you and I will tell you how we go on. It's easy peasy. Build up long-term, lasting business worldwide and trading. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Yours, Uwe. Bye-bye.